Hey, Scott Grove here at the Wendell Castle Workshop. We're doing a compound veneering class, and one of the techniques we're using is a vacuum bag. And a relatively new style of vacuum bag is this side entry with a zipper. This is an amazing bag. You can certainly put things in this way. Take the zipper, roll the zipper all the way around. And the zipper will hold a vacuum. So check out Vacupress. They sell this bag. It just saves so much space. Because normally they're end feeds and you have to have a whole other 8 foot to slide your panel in and out. Oh, I forgot. As a side tip, to make your bag last longer, if you got sharp corners on your panel that you're pressing, I like to use rubber roofing. You can use cardboard, even a few layers of paper. Put them over those outside corners. That'll help protect the bag. So check out Vacupress, yup. And this back here. And I go ahead and zip this. And there you go. So check out Wendell Castle Workshop and Vacupress with a zipper bag. Hope to see you soon.